Whales are accumulating this altcoin, Solana sees institutional outflows, and Bitcoin is well on its way to 60K. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors. We're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. What about airdrops? Check the number of airdrops we've received until now. Add to that the original Celestia airdrop and more coming. We've achieved all of this by giving many deep research, diversified calls. Check out our numbers in December. We now plan to reallocate profits to low caps, diversify to new sectors, get bigger airdrops, catch latest trends like Bitcoin and Lena inscriptions, and DCA during market flushes. We've also recently introduced a yearly subscription on Patreon. If you subscribe to our yearly plan, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. Chainlink holders have seen a significant accumulation, reaching a 2-year high amid recent market activity. Whales have notably acquired over 11 million Link tokens within the past 2 weeks, reflecting strong interest from large investors. These whales have withdrawn over $216 million worth of Link from exchanges, indicating a shift towards long-term holding strategies rather than active trading. According to on-chain data, an unknown entity, likely a large institution, has accumulated nearly $250 million of Chainlink. Blockchain tracking firm Look On-Chain initially reported earlier this month that a series of fresh wallets belonging to a mysterious institution had started withdrawing large amounts of Link from crypto exchange Binance. Less than 2 weeks later, Look On-Chain says there's now dozens of wallets that may belong to the same institution that collectively accumulated more than $200 million worth of Link. In the month of February, Link is up over 30%, currently trading at just under $20. Chainlink's potential for continued price appreciation is bolstered by developments such as tokenization of real-world assets by leading banks and increasing institutional adoption, with 40 institutions already collaborating with the Chainlink ecosystem. Chainlink recently shared this clip.
We can see clearly, and we work with well over 40 institutions globally, is in 2024, and actually this began in 2023, but there's 2 things that are going to happen. One, live transactions. And what I mean live transactions is transactions that occur in a blockchain that have real value involved. If you're issuing a bond, it will be worth, say, let's call it $100 million of real value, rather than testnet transactions. Some of these have occurred sporadically, but they've typically been in pilot environments. But the difference now is that we're shifting to production deployments. Particularly banks are taking the leading role in deploying their own platforms. Some that are relatively well-known globally, Goldman Sachs, Broadridge, which is a technical provider, and many, many others, including Citi and HSBC, have all made announcements around their particular tokenization platforms. They believe that this opportunity is coming.
Our partners at Enjin have brought Capital Studios to the Enjin Blockchain with the launch of ENJ Excavators. Since joining Enjin's early adopter program in November 2018, Capital Studios has delighted players with their cutting-edge Web3 games. The gaming studio's initial release, Kingdom Carnage, fully embraced the formative Enjin platform that pioneered Web3 gaming on Ethereum between 2018 and 2020. Now that the Enjin blockchain is live and ready to scale, Capital Studios is using ENJ Excavators to explore the new and improved Enjin ecosystem by leveraging its tools and reintegrating themselves into the Enjin community. Capital Studios' latest accomplishment reinforces the position of the Enjin ecosystem as a go-to platform for independent game developers, offering easy-to-use and cost-effective integration tools. ENJ Excavators is a free-to-play, hyper-casual mobile game tailored for all kinds of players. In their exciting new title, players engage in mining gems and upgrading their equipment to increase mining efficiency. Players rank on a leaderboard based on the amount of gems earned. At the end of each week, all players win cryptocurrency prizes. ENJ Excavators maximizes Enjin's platform's managed wallet feature to store players' crypto prizes. Thus, a potential player does not need to have extensive knowledge of blockchain technology, seed phrases, or decentralized wallets. Once you're comfortable around blockchain technology, you can then withdraw the digital assets to your own wallet. A key part of the game strategy is to balance the amount of gems a player spends to upgrade their equipment with the amount in their balance that defines their place on the leaderboard. At the end of the week, everything resets, including leaderboards, gems, and upgrades. ENJ Excavators is launching on March 5th, 2024, so mark your calendars and check it out with the links down below. Solana is finding it difficult to regain the trust of investors following a network outage, as recorded outflows of $3 million. Solana-based investment products had seen steady inflows throughout the year after the intensive performance and reliability improvements. However, investor confidence took a hit due to the network outage lasting 5 hours earlier this month, caused by a bug that caused transactions to enter an infinite loop, thereby impacting the network's functionality. Among altcoins, only investment products tied to Solana experienced outflows, which surged to $3 million in the past week. This latest figure nearly doubles the amount from the previous week, when Solana saw $1.6 million in outflows. Its rival, Ethereum, on the other hand, saw inflows of $17 million. During the same period, other altcoins, such as Chainlink and XRP, also attracted $1.8 million and $1.1 million in inflows. According to CoinShares' latest edition of Digital Asset Fund Inflows Weekly Report, Bitcoin experienced inflows of $570 million last week, pushing its year-to-date inflows to $5.6 billion. This marked the fourth straight week of such inflows, and as a result, the year-to-date inflows have exceeded $5.7 billion, constituting 55% of the record inflows observed in 2021. Our partners at Morpheus Labs help Web2 firms to transition into Web3. Web3 offers a different approach to many things compared to Web2. One of the biggest differences is that creators are in control of their content, and so are users. In other words, you decide who can see your personal info and how you can monetize your content. And Morpheus Labs are combining two of the biggest non-crypto trends in tech, automation, and low-code tooling. They call it blockchain as a service. The Morpheus Labs platform covers different verticals, for example, the metaverse, NFTs, e-commerce, education, or GameFi. Some of their partners include Huawei and Elrond. Although they have labs in their name, they're not an incubator. However, part of their service is to work with incubators and secure grants. So their service includes competitive transition packages. For example, this can include coin creation, smart contracts, introduction to CoinGecko, websites, and much more. Everything a Web2 company needs to start a successful Web3 journey. Web2 firms can completely transition into their Web3 identity. As such, Morpheus Labs provides end-to-end development. Morpheus Labs is also hosting an event in Singapore this March 15th called The Next Frontier, Unlocking Digital Potential with AI, Web3, and Collaborative Innovation. Furthermore, they'll examine how AI-powered smart contracts, AI-powered workflows, and low-code solutions facilitate the seamless transition of new businesses from Web2 to Web3 spaces. Check out Morpheus Labs and their Next Frontier event with the links down below. Trading volumes for the new 9 spot Bitcoin ETFs have notched a new daily record as Bitcoin surged to a high of $54,930 on Monday and has since reached a high of $57,500 this morning. Trading volumes for the 9 topped $2.4 billion on February 26, beating the prior record of $2.2 billion set on the first day of trading on January 11th. BlackRock's IBIT took in the most volume on February 26, with $1.29 billion, setting its own daily record by about 30%, while Fidelity's FBTC came in second at $576 million. Flows from the ARK21 shares and Bitwise ETFs tallied $276 million and $81 million respectively. Eric Balchunas said he wasn't totally sure where the new interest came from, but noted volumes tend to be heightened on the first day of the trading week. Fellow Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffert noted that February 26 was the second largest trading day, recorded at $3.2 billion when including flows from Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. Earlier in the trading day, Balchunas wrote, "Milestone, IBIT has traded $1 billion worth of shares today so far, which ranks at 11th among all ETFs, top 0.3%, and top 25 among stocks. Insane numbers for a newbie ETF, especially one with 10 competitors. $1 billion a day is big boy level volume, enough for even big institutional consideration." Michael Saylor also shared that MicroStrategy has acquired an additional 3,000 Bitcoin for $155 million at an average price of $51,800 per Bitcoin. As of now, MicroStrategy now holds 193,000 Bitcoin, acquired for $6.09 billion at an average price of $31,544 per Bitcoin. Inalio Trades wrote Bitcoin is at 54K, and this is the Google Trends interest. Not even 50% for Bitcoin, almost near the bear market lows for crypto and NFTs. That's it for Altcoin Buzz Update. I'm Ruskin Buffington. Thanks for watching.